Okay, so third and final thing which we'll be running you through some troubleshooting on is if you go, let's just say you've got the inverter turned on and you probably notice the inverter fan starts up right away and you're thinking, oh, that's a bit odd. But then you go and try and turn something else on and everything trips. It'll throw either an error 3 or an error 6 code on the screen, and everything will shut off and it'll beep and you'll freak out. Number one thing, and by far the most common thing we see, is people leaving their 240 volt hot water systems turned on and they forget about it. So always, if that's an issue, go and check your 240 volt hot water switch, normally up in a cupboard with the rest of your electrical system, or sometimes it's actually down in the box outside on the hot water system itself. Make sure that's turned off. Another way you can also tell if it is turned on is if you go on the inverter screen, you hit that select button once, that'll give you a kilowatt reading. You'll quite often find that most hot water systems pull around that 1000 watt mark. So if you notice that, if you've got nothing turned on or you think nothing's turned on, you hit that select button once and it's showing, you know, roughly 1 kilowatt worth of usage. Almost guarantee your hot water system's turned on. You need to flick it off so you can use the system as you normally would.